worked.
She just wants to make sure everything works.
No, my hair, I can't.
Yeah,
No.
Yeah. Good morning, afternoon.
No.
Good afternoon, we're so glad you're here. This is the Raw Brookhart Project vlog.
Look at my hair.
It doesn't matter, it's transfer baby weekend. I'm home from work.
It is.
I left work later than expected,
Yeah.
but traffic was flying on the way
Yeah,
home.
you got here so fast.
So we still gotta even go.
Yeah.
We are back at the boardwalk.
So chilly.
It is, yeah.
Yesterday it was hot. It was like almost 90, and then today
It's like 60.
I think it's less. I think it's in the 50s. The high was 60 something today.
I'm freezing.
Yeah.
It's a crazy night at Epcot.
Truly.
We got Erhardts are there. Ivkovs are there.
Chelsea's
One
meeting
Chelsea
up
is
with
there. And one Shane is there because it's his birthday.
Well,
Let's go find Chelsea. Yeah, let's go find Chelsea. Yeah. Is it just Chelsea by herself? All by her lonesome self?
She's in the wrong sleeve.
Look at, we found everybody.
And Ben promised he's bringing the cold weather back up north.
I promise.
At least for a couple weeks.
Yeah.
And then you have to come back.
This isn't cool to me though.
Oh, fiddlesticks.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, is this Kieran?
Let's do the thing we're telling you. Okay, what's the thing? Look your fitness. Oh, look at these headbands and shirts. Look at this cup. Look at this ornament. I like this shirt too. Killing! Oh, look at this mug!
okay, we're in the seas. We're going to the manatees first. Are they sleeping? No, they can't sleep that long under there, right? Maybe.
They can breathe like 30 minutes a month.
Oh, so maybe just a cat nap. The Ivkovs family is here. We're trying to find them.
Very excited.
We're about to see the Epcot fireworks for the first and last time ever.
Yeah, right? Epcot forever.
But it's not forever.
Yeah. Forever for a short time.
Forever, but not forever.
Yeah. We're just so happy.
Can you do something? Can you say something?
What is this? What do you call this thing? Hi, it's me.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
All right, so the Ivkovs clan, they just can't park like they used to. So
They've been going since
they have
the
been
very
going since and they were in a
Yes.
water park yesterday, so
And
they
water
left.
parks are like a different kind of
exhaustion.
tiring, yeah.
So Chelsea's staying with us, and we're gonna go to I think Bellevue Lounge until the Erhardts come out.
Yep.
And then we'll all see where the night goes.
Ooh, I like that phrase.
Ooh, fancy pants.
Starting out some Giles.
Is that how you say it?
Highlight. Dialay.
Giles. For life.
It's some game that they play when they smoke cigars. I don't know.
I get Giles all the time.
Yeah. We're celebrating baby weekend.
And Chelsea's birthday soon.
Yeah. So soon.
So many things. February.
All right, we're leaving Bellevue Lounge. possibly just temporarily. The Erhardts literally just left International Gateway like 30 minutes later, which makes me so jealous because it was their last night. I wish we would have just been with them in the Erhardt Loop Around World Showcase, but we had to walk the Ivkovs out, but I think we're gonna go meet them. I don't know if we're gonna come back to Bellevue or just go somewhere else, or at least just say bye to them, but we're gonna roll.
We found the Erhardt kids.
Oh, there it is. Oh, Karen, I'm gonna show this at your wedding one day. Look at that. You're so goofy.
Alright, can't wait. Let's get our pictures. Hey, Peter, give me your magic band for a second.
What's the word?
Please.
There you go.
I need it to scan.
Yeah, I know. You can scan it. Nice. Okay, ready? Yes.
We got it to work. Smile.
Look at the camera. The other camera. That one.
This one. Yay!
Yay. Oh, get ready. Get ready to pose. 3, 2, 1. Next photo. 3, 2, 1. No, it's gonna do it. Last pose. 1, 2, 3. Scream.
Kieran hacked this one.
I just appeared.
You did this? You hacked it?
Yeah, I did not hack it. It's out of order. It's out of service. Look.
Ben is also in there. Getting some Ample Hills Creamery.
Oh gosh.
Yes, yes.
Why are you so goofy? Never trust an Irishman walking away to a creamery.
Nope. Nope.
She needs some of that.
Asleep or awake?
She's 100% awake.
Nice.
I have a Cordelia with me. Hey, girlfriend.
We're back at Abracadabar, but with the babies! Oh, the kiddos. Hi! Worlds collide, but it's so cool because they watched our old channel, which Chelsea was a part of.
Oh, we've known about Chelsea for a long time. Chelsea and Matt and all the 5207 peeps.
Yes. Here's the menu. They don't do food after 9:30, they said?
I'm not
I don't know. They don't do food later, which is kind of annoying. Yeah. 9:30, yeah. And I'm gonna get a magic mirror, non-alcoholic. The girlies got the conjurita again.
It's gonna make them fresh.
The other pages of the menu. And the last page. We love this place.
Legit.
Ooh, we're gonna do a magic trick.
They are.
We're gonna do this simultaneously now. Are you ready?
I'm not ready. Yes,
That's your magic wand.
That's your wand, Chelsea.
I got it. I got it.
Because he needs both hands. I don't know if he's ever dueled on this.
Now, do you remember the magic words from yesterday?
I do. I don't. Tell me.
Alright, the name of this bar. Not Abracadabra, but
Abracadabar. I got
say
it.
with conviction.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Abracadabar.
Alright, give it a stir, give it a stir, give it a stir, give it a stir. And
Good turn, good turn, good turn, good turn.
keep stirring. Yay!
Yesterday.
You're honoring me until the last part.
It's funny every time you say it. You did.
They were purple.
And I loved it then. Purple and now
Here's my magic mirror. It's the same
It is.
color.
It's just as pretty.
It's so yummy.
But you didn't get that last night, did you? You just got water.
I just got water.
This has been like 10 minutes.
Enjoyed watching it. Oh my
This is
gosh.
way worse. Alright, we left the Erhardts, not for the last time yet, because they leave tomorrow. But we have to go try to break into Epcot, because Chelsea left her
car's
car
still
there. I just presume that nobody's going to be at the turnstile and we're just
like
going
you
to
just
drive
go
in.
through, right?
That's what happens at like Run Disney events. Like it's so early. So, wish
We'll
us
figure
luck.
it out.
Either way, we're just going to drop Chelsea off to the front gate and she'll
If
walk
not,
in.
we're just going to have to get a room here.
Exactly. Well, no, we'll just go sleep in the Erhardts living room. Perfect.
Perfect. Problem solved.
Alrighty, we are home. We did not see Shane today, but it is his birthday, so happy birthday, Shane. He left just before we got there. The message of the day is beauty is the illumination of your soul. John O'Donohue. This girl is snacking hard.
My name is Peter. This is now the Peter Brooker Project. Sarah and Eve, they've decided to start their own channel called The Adorbs. Please go unsubscribe to my channel and subscribe to their channel. It's the weekend.
She won't move and I'm just gonna soak this in.
It's the weekend.
It's a baby weekend.
It's a baby embryo transfer weekend. We can't wait for the transfer on Monday. And we can't wait for you guys to join us tomorrow on tomorrow's adventure.
Yes. We hope that you'll return.
Every day.
Every day. Also, did we say okay, so Chelsea and Dominic, we both met on our Disney college program. And that's why tonight was even more of a big deal than we even let out. What's even cooler is that the Erhardts found us from our old channel, the Fab 5207. If you guys are ever in need of some fun vacation vlogs, I'll put up one of the playlists.
Yeah.
Our May trip. That was a good trip.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.